Marines from Marine Wing Support Squadron-171's motor transport section constantly prepare for what might come their way. The Marines tested tire pressure and gun turrets for a convoy to Hiroshima.
What we're doing with the convoy is we're trying to ensure that motor T is capable of completing a movement, for instance, from MWSS 171 Iwakuni, Japan, to Kawakami, which is the Army depot, approximately an hour away from here.
In preparation for the convoy, these Marines ensured that every piece of equipment runs seamlessly and will not quit under pressure.
So basically, what you like kind of noticed me and the Marines were doing was our echelon of maintenance. So as operators, we do a thing called PMCS, preventative maintenance checks and services. So exactly this checking the normal operations of the truck, normal wear and tear stuff, tires, any leaks, pulleys, anything like that.
Smooth equipment operation ensures a smooth convoy and mission success.
Our rule now is to just get it off base safely, get it through town, and then get to Kawakami in a successful convoy.
Reporting from Marine Corps Air Station Iwakuni, Japan, I'm Marine Corporal David Bickel.